how to sync WhatsApp on both PC and mobile. So if you want to sync WhatsApp on your both PC and mobile, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp on your PC, or you can also go with your browser if you don't have the application. Now, once you open your WhatsApp application on your PC, if you want to sync it on your PC and on your mobile device, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp on your mobile device. After opening up, go with your settings, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on linked devices. Once you go here, you need to go with get started on your PC. And as you can see that here it says to set up WhatsApp on your computer, you need to open up your WhatsApp on your phone and then go with the menu on your Android or settings on your iPhone, and then tap on linked devices and then link a device. Point your phone at the screen to capture the QR code. Now you need to tap on link device on your iPhone and scan the QR code. Once you've scanned, just wait for a few seconds. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to sync WhatsApp on your PC and on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.